Good morning, children. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So, yes. Good morning, children. Yeah. So, from the morning, everyone is busy. Everyone is on where? We are in the Uttarakhand, isn't it? So, the different subject teachers are taking you to the Uttarakhand. They explain. Yes, so regarding the history, they are explaining science history, they are explaining regarding the science, what is there in the Uttarakhand. So, in the maths, so what we are learning here, the virtual tour to Uttarakhand we are learning. Yes, yes, okay, they will explain now how the whatever the sessions are there. According to that, they are explaining. Right now, maths is there. I'm explaining about the maths. Next, if the history is there, then they are explaining about the essays. Then we'll go the science is there. Then they are explaining the science. What is there in the Uttarakhand related to the science? Yes? Okay. So according to the session, now maths is there, so I'm telling you about the maths. Suppose the next Hindi is there, they will explain about the Hindi. English is there, they will tell you about the English. We have selected some topics related to Uttarakhand. See, children, everyone knows that from last 2 years we have not gone anywhere. So we are taking the virtual tour. So before going, we can get a plan. We can make a plan. If in the future, if you are going to the Uttarakhand, yes, which places we have to go, what is the famous in the Uttarakhand, and we can see the route, right? How we are going, how we are traveling, whether we are traveling by train, bus, or flight, own vehicle. So we need to go. We need to see the route. Yes, yes, children. Okay. So we will see now. Here we can see that the Uttarakhand land record. So this is what the Uttarakhand state. Right, in the Uttarakhand, the picture of Uttarakhand we can see here. Right, next, in the Uttarakhand, the few districts we are seeing. Yes, how the Karnataka is the state. Similarly, the Uttarakhand also is the state. In the Karnataka, how many districts are there? So the structure, the picture of the state, the district also we can see. Here also we can see the image, the Uttarakhand. In the Uttarakhand again, the districts we can see. It is divided into the some districts. Even we can see the neighboring state also we can see to Uttarakhand. The neighboring districts also we can see. Understood, children? Yes. So from where to where it is extended, the length we can see, the distance we can see that Uttarakhand, how much it is expanded. Yes, suppose the Uttarakhand. In the Uttarakhand, which district is famous, what is famous, and where it is. It is in which district we can see. Yes, now see our the neighboring districts we can see. Now the Belgaum district, to the Belgaum district we can see the neighboring districts. For example, the Bijapur is there. Yeah, Dharwad is there. Bagalkot is there, very good. Next, yes, ha, yes. To the Belgavi, we are seeing the districts, which are the neighboring districts. We are seeing. If you are learning, if you are studying the district, then we can see. Suppose if you are learning the state, the neighboring state to the Karnataka, which is our state, it is Karnataka. So neighboring states are very good. The Maharashtra is there, Tamil Nadu is there, Goa is there, Kerala is there, Andhra Pradesh. Yes, children? Telangana. Yeah. So similarly, the neighbor states to the Uttarakhand also we are seeing. Understood? Okay. Now, so each district, which is the biggest, largest district we can see, and which is the smallest districts also we can see here in the map. Which map? The Uttarakhand map. The scale also we can take, children, to explain that. Next, it is very important that if you want to travel from Karnataka to Uttarakhand, then here it shows that from where to where, how to travel. Suppose we are in the Mumbai, the person who is in Mumbai, from the Mumbai, if you want to Uttarakhand, he wants to go to the Uttarakhand, then how to travel, the distance we can see. Here it is showing, see, Mumbai to Pune, it is 180 kilometers. Then from here to Solapur to here, it is means from all the districts, from all the states, and by flight, the distance we can see, how much time it required, By train, how much distance it is? Even if you are traveling by road, then when we are traveling by road, then children, we are getting the NH. NH means the national highways we are getting. Right? From the which national highway we have to travel. Understood, children? Okay, okay. Now see, here the distance are given, children. Here, then the yellow shows that it is a national highway. See, the yellow part shows it is a national highway. So the national highways are different. So ours is, now here we can see our national highway NH4 we are seeing. Yes, how they decided NH4, which is NH1, NH2. Here we can see, children. See here NH04. This is our highway. Yes, from where to where it is given, see, children. Pune, Belgaum, right? And where is Bangalore? Can you show here Bangalore? Where is Bangalore? Can you show where is the Bangalore here? Yes. Where is Bangalore? Just check it. Find out where is Bangalore. Here is the Bangalore. Mean, children, see, from here to, can you see the cursor? So from here to here it is still here, Pune, it is NH4. So actually, before giving this NH4, the now the roads are constructed, right? Before that, to the NH4 road, we were saying one more word, might be have heard, PB road. Do you heard the PB road? Old PB road we are saying the Khasbag, near the Patson it is. Yes, what is that PB road? Do you know what is P and B? Do you know what is PB? Here it is there, children. See, this is P and this is B. So before we are saying, because of that we are saying old PB road we are saying. What is that old PB road? Old PB road means the road which is from Pune to Bangalore. Which connects these two cities. Which cities? The Pune city to Bangalore city, and to that connected city means to road we are saying NH04 we are saying, that is National Highway 04. So children, do you know why we are saying NH04? It is why it is not NH01, NH02? Here it is given. See, the NH206 is there, NH40 is there. Yes, why we gave NH04? Huh. So children, that number, how we are giving the number to that? The number, it is depend on the vehicles. In a day, average we are removing. We are taking the average. In a day, in a week, in a month, or in a year, how many vehicles are traveling on that road? Do you understand? Means on the NH4 compared to the other national highways, ours is the fourth road. That is, compared to the other roads, in our road, many vehicles are traveling, they are transporting. Based on that, we have given it is NH4. Got it? So here, if you compare the others also, now the Mumbai to Panji is there, means Mumbai to Goa also it is there. See, NH43, next year NH206 it is there, NH40 is there, NH04 is there. See, these all are what? These all are the national highways. Even it is the distance also it is given. The distance, see, from here it is the Belgaum to Pune, how much distance? Or Kolhapur is, Khanapur is here, the Kolhapur is here. See, from Kolhapur to Pune, what is the distance Kolhapur to Pune? Here it is given. How much it is? It is 330 or 230, check, see, children. It is 230 kilometers. From where? From Kolhapur to Pune. And from Belgaum to Kolhapur, how much distance it is? It is 120 kilometers. Then from Belgaum to Pune, It is approximately 350 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Right, from where to where? From Belgaum to Pune. Now, if you see from Solapur to Pune, then it is 240 kilometers, and from Mumbai to Pune, if you see, then it is 180 kilometers. Understood, children?
Yes.
Yes. Now, here you can see why we are seeing this one, because if you want to travel Uttarakhand, then which is the route that we can select? From which route we can go to the Uttarakhand? Understood? But this is what? This is the map of Karnataka. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If you want to travel Karnataka, then you can check the distance, or even we can select, we can choose the route. By which route we have to go, which is the shortest or which is the longest. See, nowadays we are using the map. Yes, why we are using the maps? If you, yes, if you don't know the route, we are taking the map. But children, in the map, in the Google map, what is that? It is showing the route to us, but we don't know. What we don't know? How far it is from the which route we are selecting. Sometimes it is showing the shortcut, means short route. Even it is showing the long route also. Yeah, option will come. The longest and the shortest also we can, it can come. Yes, but which we have to select? The shortest. But children, in the Google map, the longest and shortest distance it is telling to us. But the problem is what? The road condition or traffic. Even that nowadays traffic also we can get. Yes, on that way, on that route, the traffic also will get the information. But the road condition we cannot get. Yes? Okay, okay. So this is what the Karnataka related to, regarding the Karnataka, we are finding the distance. So similarly, we can get the distance or the roads, NH means national highways, others also we can get the information. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now next. Now, yes, if you come to this, here the district wise we have distributed the rainfall. Yes, now here these are the districts, right? And these are the percentage. It is per annum, or here it is given 1 June to 30 September. We can count, we can see the rainfall. Where we can see this is districts of Uttarakhand. If you see the compared to the Karnataka, in the Karnataka also many districts are there. We can compare in which districts we are getting more rainfall. Right. Similarly, in the Uttarakhand also we can see in which district we will get more rainfall. Can you count how many districts are there in Uttarakhand? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 districts are there. Where in Uttarakhand? Here we have taken. Right. So out of these districts, in which district we will get more rainfall? Yes, in which district we will get more rainfall? And what is the percentage? What is the percentage? 74 percentage you will get more rainfall in the Bageshwar. Where it is? It is in the Uttarakhand. And in which district we will get the less rainfall? Here is the last. Right. See, children, the means in which month? From the month 1st June to 30th September, and we are checking in which year it is. Yeah, according to 2018. According to 2018, the rainfall we can see in the Uttarakhand, and that is also district wise we can see. So this x-axis and y-axis we are taking. You know the graph, right? Yes. The x-axis shows the name of the districts, and y-axis we can take the percentage of rainfall. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, yes. Okay. So these are what the famous places, and we are learning from the Uttarakhand. Now here, the first one is Naukuchital. See here, if you see the image, the picture, it is from where? It is from the Uttarakhand. So what it is, Naukuchital is a beautiful place situated just about 27 kilometers up from Nainital. So do you know the Nainital? What is that Nainital? Very good. Most of the people visiting where the Nainital place. Yes or no? Everyone wants to go once in a life. They wants to go to the Nainital, right? So from the Nainital, this is 27 kilometer. Which place? Which is this place? Yes, now Kuchital. It is 27 kilometers from Nainital. So it is a very peaceful place. The main attraction of this place is the Naukuchia Lake. Here it is. It which has see it itself has which has 9 corners. The lake Naukuchia is has 9 corners. We stayed in the government TRS, that is tourist rest house, which was right behind the lake. Yes, which has 9 corners. And where we are situating, where we are staying, TRS, that is tourist rest house. Where it is, which was right behind the lake. Which lake? The Naukuchita lake. Have a look here. We can see here. Right, children? Yes. Okay. Now the second one. Which is the second one? The second one is Kakri Ghat. Yes, yes. The second place we are seeing, that is the famous place in the Uttarakhand, that is Kakri Ghat. So what is famous in the Kakri Ghat? We will see. Kakri Ghat is a famous for its Neem Karoli Baba Ashram. There is a ashram where in the in the Uttarakhand. So that Neem Karoli Baba Ashram is famous. This ashram is situated on the banks of Kosi River. Now, here we are getting the name of the river, which is that Kosi River. Do you know, children, what is Kosi? It is the name of the river. The origin of the Kosi River. Do you know origin of the Kosi River? It comes in the history. Yes, and by this Kosi River, do you know again by one more name? It is famous to the Kosi. Do you know what is that?
No, sir.
To this Kosi river, by one more name also we are calling, and that is the famous river which passes through Uttarakhand. Yes, next. Not Saptakoshi beta. In Kannada we are saying Kannirina Nadi we are saying. What we are saying? Kannirina Nadi, Kosi Nadi, Kosi river. Yes, next Swami Vivekananda also came here for meditation. See, the Swami Vivekananda. Do you know who is Swami Vivekananda? Do you know who is Swami Vivekananda?
Yes, sir.
He also went where to this Kakri Ghat for what? For the meditation. So it is a nice place to stop by when driving towards Rani Khet. See, the Rani Khet also is a nice place. There we can enjoy, we can entertain, we can meet that place. We spend a really nice time here, sipping our cups of chai and soaking into the moment. So most of the people are visiting. There is an ashram. That ashram name is Neem Karoli Baba Ashram. Right, where it is? It is situated on the banks of Kosi River. So even the Swami Vivekananda ji also went for the meditation. So this is a very nice place, and the people can stay there, they can stop, they can enjoy, they can driving towards the Rani Khet. So the most of the people are visiting in this place, they can spend their time here. Okay, next, the next is, yes, which is next one? Sheetal Khet is there. Sheetala Khet is there. Right. What is that Sheetala Khet? Where it is, we will see now. Many of you might have heard about Rani Khet. Yes, might be have heard, children. Or before we can go to the Uttarakhand, yes, we will get the information. See, children, in a 40 minutes in our class, 30 to 35 minutes, we need to explain. But to learn, to get the information about Uttarakhand, 1 day or 2 days not enough. Because many things are there. We know that the famous temple is there in the Uttarakhand. Do you know which is that? Ha, Kedarnath. Yes or no? Most of the tourist people are visiting that Kedarnath. It is a famous temple. Right. Next. So here the Shitla Khet, many of you might have heard about Rani Khet. This is about 20 kilometers from Rani Khet. If you are looking for a place to relax and escape the chaotic city life, then spend a day or two in Shitla Khet for a digital detox. If you in Shitla Khet, take time to visit the famous, what is that? Katarmal Sun Temple too. It's just about 18 kilometers from this little point village. See, Shitla Khet, it is the famous that we have heard about the Rani Khet. From the Rani Khet, it is 20 kilometers. So even we can visit this place and we can relax. Even we can escape. What is that? Escape means what? Means, see, why we are visiting these places, children? Why we are visiting these places? Everyone knows that from last 2 years, every day, every time we are listening, we are hearing that lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Yes. So once the lockdown is open, then everyone is rushing. Where they are rushing? It may be Uttarakhand or in the different places also. Why? They want to escape from the daily schedule, the hectic schedule. Yes or no? From the last 2 years, everyone is bonded. Everyone is where they are. Yes, they are. The government is not allowing us to move out of the place, our places, of the native places. So everyone is interested to move to visit the places. Which places? Many places are there. The falls are there, the temples are there, the sceneries are there, the zoos are there. Yes. So, if anyone is interested or anyone wants to go to the Uttarakhand, then we can get the information about these places and we can enjoy our time. We can spend our time in these places and we can escape from our the daily schedule, the hectic schedule, and we can entertain here. Right? Next, here Shitla can take time to visit the famous. One more temple is there, that is the Sun Temple, that is Katarmal, where it is. It is 18 kilometers above from the little quaint village. It is the one more Sun Temple is there here, that is Katarmal. So here also we can go and we can visit this place. Next, yeah, the fourth one is Kausani. What is that Kausani? See, is a perfect place to enjoy the view of beautiful Himalayas and witness the sunset and sunrise. Yes. So nearest to our place, if you want to see the sunset or sunrise, where we are visiting, children? Yes. If you want to see the sunset, which place we are moving? No, here it is in the Uttarakhand, the Kausani. Nearest to us, ma'am. Nearest to the Belgamites. Yes, where it is good. If you want to the sunset, if you want to see sunset, where we want to go? Where we will go? Where? Children, don't tell your place. Ha, sir, from my village, no, our sunset looks very nice. Not like that. Ha, na? Yes, the place is there. Do you know where it is nearest to us? Might be a herd, children. When you'll go for the 1 day picnic, then at the evening time, everyone is rushing to see the sunset. Do you know where it is? Nearest to us, I'm telling. I'm asking you nearest to us. Yes, where we are going? Nearest to us means not in the Belgaum. हमको क्या बलगम से हमको वहां दिख सकता है, सीनरी दिख सकती है, सनसेट दिख सकता है. वो सनसेट देखने के लिए कहाँ पे जाते हैं हम? Might we have read the, yes, where it is? Yes. But I'm not asking about the Belgaum. From the Belgaum also, but better than that scenery, the view, we will get the different place.
Sir, from Nanda Devi.
Yes, come again.
From Nanda Devi.
Okay, अगेन हमने देखा है बच्चों, उधर जाने के बाद ना कहीं पे तो बोर्ड दिखता है, हाँ वहां से ना सभी लोग आफ्टर 5 और आफ्टर 6 o'clock everyone is busy in that to see the sunset point. Goa beach, very good. Before we reach Goa, from Amboli it is written, what is that? The sunset point. Is it there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? The sun, to see the sunset point, children, it is not like that only we can see the sunset from the Amboli. If you move to the different place, even from there also we can see the clear sunset. Even the sunset point we can see from the Mahabaleshwar also. Yes, even we can see the sunset from, if you want to go in the Karnataka, then Agumbe. Do you heard Agumbe? From there also we can see the sunset point. Yes or no? But nearest was Amboli is there. From the Amboli we can see the sunset point. Now here Kausani is a perfect place to enjoy the view of beautiful Himalayas and to witness the sunset and sunrise. Our TRH. What is TRH? Here it is given. What is TRH? Tourist Rest House. Had the best view, Nanda Devi Peaks, Trishul Parvat, and the other mountain peaks were right in front of us. See, children, the TRH, our TRH had the best view. Which are those? The Nanda Devi peak is there, and the Trishul Parvat, and the mountain is there, the other mountains. Even there also we can visit. Sad that my camera couldn't do justice to what I saw with my eyes, but I think it's enough to give you an idea about the SAML also, same also. When in Kausani, don't forget to visit famous writer. Who is famous writer in the Uttarakhand? She children from the Kausani. The name of the, yes, writer. Who is she? Sumitra Nandan Pant's home. The Sumitra Nandan Pant's home, where we can see near the Kausani, is the writer, the famous writer. Next, Anasakti Ashram and the ancient Bhaijanath temple also it is there. What is there? One more ashram we can see, that is Anasakti and the ancient temple. Which is that ancient temple? Bhaijanath temple also we can see there. Right? Next. The next one, the fifth one is, yes, which is fifth one? Yes, here it is there. You can see this place. Okay, so Chaukur is a beautiful, kaleidoscopic, beautiful village to enjoy the view of mountains. Means from this place, children, we can see, we can enjoy the mountains, right? So this village is defined as a village straight out of fairy tale. From this place, we can see the mountains, and this is the straight out. From there we can see the clear view of mountain. It is surrounded by, it is surrounded by Himalayan peaks and dense forest. Which one? The Chaukori. The Chaukori, it is surrounded by, it is surrounded by the Himalayan peaks and dense forest. And yes, it is TRH again, is the most beautiful TRH I have ever experienced. Which is the most beautiful TRH? That is rest house. Where it is? The TRH is run by the government. Which government? The Uttarakhand government. Yes, the Uttarakhand government can run this TRH. They are make available to the tourists. The tourist peoples can visit and they can stay. They can do the halt and they can enjoy the place. So here the Chokur is a beautiful place. there the peoples can see the mountains, and this is surrounded by the Himalayas peaks and the dense forest also. Okay, next one. Yes. So next we are seeing the cities and the populations. Now children, do you know, this is the general knowledge question, in which we are seeing the census. Do you know what is census? What is census? Okay. Census, this word we can see in the history part again. Yes, we can see from the history. This is very important, children. This census
Questions which are asked to families.
question.
The questions which are asked to families about the age, people are living in the home.
Okay, but actually census means
Official count.
very good. See here, you can see this is very good. See, we are saying what is the population of India?
135.
It is 130 crore plus we are saying. How we are saying that is approximately or exact 130 crore plus? Anyone is free to, yes, anyone is free to count that. Everyone's house is going and he is counting.
No, sir.
Huh.
The average population.
Yes, we are getting the average population. So do you know for every house? Yes, yes, yes. So we can count the population by birth rate and death rate. Very good, very good. But children, do you know for every how many years we are taking the census? Then if according to if I, then if we are seeing 2011, then according to you have to see the 2000. Very good. Every 10 years we are making the census, we are counting the census. Understood, children? See, in the villages, we can see what we can see. The people, the in the what we are saying, the Anganwadi teacher. Do you know what is Anganwadi? Huh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What they are doing, the government is giving work to them. In everyone's house they have to visit. Even it is happening in the cities also. Right? So when they will enter, when they will visit to the house, they are taking the number of people, how many are staying in the house, their age and their name, even they are taking their date of birth. So in occupation, what they are doing? Yes, occupation means what? Every information they are collecting, and based on that, children, we are saying what we are saying. India is a agriculture land. Why we are saying India is agriculture land? Because when we see the average, the people's occupation, average occupation we see, then most of the people from the India are doing agriculture. So they are engaged in farming. Yes, they are engaged in farming. Even children, we are saying the India is the poor country. We are saying how we came to know India is the poor country. Huh.
Because it has a low average.
Yes, means we are getting the data, we are getting the information, because when we can visit the houses, wherever it is in the village or in the city, we are getting yes, what is their occupation, what they are doing, what is their annual income. Yes, and based on that, we are deciding whether the India is a means poor country or rich country. Or even we can see when we are comparing to the other countries, we are seeing that India is a developed country or developing country or undeveloped country. Yes, the three types of countries we are seeing, children. One is undeveloped country. Next is developing country, and another is developed country. So India comes in. Yes, India is still developing, right? And which comes the undeveloped country? Which we can see the undeveloped country. Now you can see the Afghanistan is there. Yes, Pakistan, Afghanistan. These are yes, yes. These are children undeveloped. Compared to India, their average means they are too poor even compared to the India. There is no any development. Right? Compared to them, the India is developing. And to the which country? Yes, yes. What? Okay. Yeah, if you are asking something, please ask me. Otherwise, if you are talking, then please do the mute better. Okay. So which countries we are saying it is developed country? Which are the developed country? Sir, Australia. Yes. Norway. Yes. Germany. Yeah. See, children, these are the developed countries, which the USA we are saying. It is a developed country. Australia is a developed country. Russia is a developed country. Japan is a developed country. Yes, these all are developed because they have everything. They have everything now. Means in the weapons they are compared to others, they have got everything. Developed it is. Most of the peoples are well settled. They are richest. It is the richest country, richest people we can see in those countries. So we are saying it is developed. Right? Okay. Now here every 10 years we are making the census, and based on that we are saying, now here we can see the district wise, we can see the population. Now if you see then children, which district, in which district we can see the more population? Yes, in which district we can see the more population? Dehradun. What is the percentage? 19 percentage. 19 percentage from the Dehradun, means compared to the other districts, the most population we can see the in the Dehradun. Next comes in Haridwar. What is the percentage in the Haridwar? 7 percentage people are there in the Haridwar. Next Halwani come. What is this? Kadgodam. How much percentage? The percentage is 6 percentage. Next, yes, Rudrapur 5 percentage, Kashipur 4 percentage, Roorkee. Children, do you know what is this Roorkee? Do you heard about this Roorkee? Yes. If you want to get about the Roorkee, I heard that when I asked the question, few of you said that yes, I want to join in the Indian Army. Yes, those who want to join in the Indian Army, you people, you can, what you can do, you can get the information about this place. You should know about what it means about the Roorkee. What is that Roorkee? Yes. Yes, even what I said, those who wants to go in the Indian Army, even those who wants to go for the engineering, those can get collect the information about this Roorkee. Children, most of the means the army, here the center is there, the training center. Yes, it is the headquarter, right? Most of the people, the army who is joining, to them they are giving the training, right? So that is the famous training center for whom? To the army defense. Yes. Next, so compared to others, their percentage is given. Now here other towns 43 percentage. What is this other towns 43 percentage? See, yes, most of the percentage is from other towns. If you see the population, these are the districts, but compared to this, in the other towns, the percentage is more. 43 percentage of the people are staying in Uttarakhand and they are from the other towns. Yes, mean because children, the Uttarakhand is the famous place where the peoples are visiting. Right, that we have heard. Do you heard what is migration? Yes, sir. The peoples are migrating from one place to the another place. Yes, even we are saying we are the tourists. We are not settling there. Yes, we are staying for 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. They are staying again. They are returning to their village. Right. So most of the peoples are from the other towns. Means if you compare the population, other towns population is more in Uttarakhand. They are not localites. They are migrated. They are means migrated. We are saying. Yes. Okay. Yes. The next. Next we can see here. Yeah. Next we'll see. Yes, Uttarakhand religion census. If you see the religion census, children, these are the religions. Here we can see the Hindu, the number percent of population. We can see 96.63 crore people are there from the Hindu, where they are in the Uttarakhand. Even the Muslim peoples are there. What is their percentage? The percentage is 14.2 percentage, means 17.22 crore people we can see from the Muslim religion. Then Christians are there. 2.3 percentage Christians are staying in Uttarakhand. Sikh are also there. 1.7 percentage people are staying in Uttarakhand. Buddhist also people we can see in the Uttarakhand, and their percentage is 0.7 percentage. Jain peoples are there in the Uttarakhand. Their percentage is 0.4 percentage, means 0.45 crore peoples are there. And other religions and Persians. See, do you know what is it Persian? Yes, the the foreigner peoples. Even they are also we can found in Uttarakhand. How much? The 0.7 percentage. Other religions and as well as the Persian people we can see in the Uttarakhand. Now religion not stated. We don't know the religion. Even those peoples also we can see in the Uttarakhand, and the percentage is 0.2 percentage. Right. Then next we are seeing children. These are the famous rivers in Uttarakhand. So Ganga. So Ganga river is the famous river we can see in the Uttarakhand. See, this is the considered as the holiest river in India. Next, Alakananda. This is Alakananda is the river, one of the two main streams of holy river, that is Ganga. Next, we are seeing the another river is Ganga Yamuna. It is another blessed stream. Next, we can see the Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi river is the main source of the river Ganga. Next, Ramaganga we are seeing. Ramaganga is the part of the Ganga system, and the Kali, the largest river in the Kumaon region. Kali river is also known as Shraddha river. So, Kutya Nadi or Mahakali river also we can see from the famous river in Uttarakhand. Yes, children, understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what we went to the Uttarakhand. Virtually, we went to the Uttarakhand. Right. So before we go to the Uttarakhand, we can plan out. Right. We can see the distance. We can select the route. We can see. We can get the information. Population. Which are the famous rivers? Which are the famous places? Yes, we can get, and even we can see the rainfall, so we can avoid or we can visit that place in the at the time of rainy season. Yes, we can enjoy the rain season. Yes, based on that we can plan out. Okay, so enjoy it, children. Okay, okay, so it's time up now, so again we will continue in the next class. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Bye, children. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.